Hello, good morning. My name is Anna Rattenbury from Musical Babies, and today I'm going to show you how to bake gingerbread men. I hope you remember the story of the gingerbread man, and I thought maybe you would like to make some gingerbread men. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. So you need some flour. Okay. You need some baking powder. You need some sugar. You need some vanilla. Okay. A pinch of salt. You will need an egg. Some ginger, ground ginger, and some spices. Okay, so these are spices for gingerbread man. Okay, and some butter. Okay, and the equipment. Okay, so you need a baking tray and some paper. You need a rolling mat. Okay, and a roller pin. Okay, now you might also need a food processor. Okay, I'm going to use a food processor. Okay, I'm going to use a food processor. Okay, so with this, but you can also use a knife and a bowl, but ask your mommy or daddy to help you, okay, because it's very sharp. So I'm going to put some flour in here. Okay, now I'm going to put the baking powder. Okay, going to put the sugar. I'm going to put the spices and the ginger. Okay. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, just a tiny little bit. Okay. And some vanilla. Okay. I'm going to break in the egg. Okay. And I'm going to put the butter in to mix it now. Right. Okay. So now I'm going to put the butter in. Okay. And I'm going to mix it again. Mat, and I've got the rolling pin, and you might also need some flour. Okay, just some flour to put some here. Okay, so I'm going to first take a bowl and just put it here. Okay. So I need to knead it. This is called kneading. Okay, so you mix, but this is kneading. Okay, so you need to knead it together. And now, normally you can put this in a plastic bag bag and put it in the fridge, okay, for 1 hour. But now I'm going to do it immediately. Okay. All right. So, okay, I'm going to take some of it and I'm going to put some flour and you take a cutter and you do it like Christmas biscuits, okay? And now just put it on here. You can put some butter, okay? All right, but I'm going to just put them like this, okay? This, okay? You see, oops. You see, so I've got some gingerbread men. Let's count them. 1, 2, can you do it? 3, 4. That's right, how many? Yes, there are 7. And now we're going to put them in the oven. Okay, we need to put the oven to 200 degrees, okay? So, okay, 200. But remember, the oven is hot, hot, hot. Okay, my oven is ready and now I'm going to put them in. Remember, the oven is very hot, so be very careful. I'm going to bake them for 12 minutes, okay? But remember, the oven is very, very hot. And now we can wait. Okay, maybe you can have a look at the story or listen to Nick Rattenbury reading it, okay? Right. Okay, they are ready. Okay, so remember the oven is very, very hot. So, okay, yes. Okay, so we've got the gingerbread man here, and if you want to do some icing, you can have lemons. Okay, so one lemon, okay, and a juicer and some icing sugar. Okay, this is sugar, icing sugar, and something to decorate the gingerbread man. A bowl and a spoon. Okay, so I'm going to have some juice. Okay, I have made very few of them, so I think I'll just use half, okay? I won't use the other half. And some sugar. Okay, mix it. More. Icing, okay? You can make sure all the sugar is dissolved. Okay, now I have a wire rack. I'm just going to put my gingerbread man here. I'll start with the big one. You see, this one. And I can put some icing. Okay. And I'm going to make some eyes, okay, so golden eyes, okay, all right, and I'm going to do a mouth, okay, just like this, okay, and some buttons, okay, so just a couple of buttons just to show you, okay, so the icing is used for it to stick, okay, but you can make it thicker, you can make thicker icing or color the icing, but I just wanted to show you how to make a very simple gingerbread man. Okay? Enjoy it! See you later! Bye bye!